Imagine transforming a simple picture into a hip-hop dancer or a moonwalking across the screen. Viggle AI is an innovative tool that turns static images into lively animations, transforming a simple photo into a video where your characters are dancing, jumping, or even performing complex moves. The magic lies in its AI-powered features that make animation accessible to everyone, regardless of your skill level. First, let's get you started. Head over to the Viggle AI website. Type in viggle.ai in your browser's search bar, and you'll be greeted with a clean and user-friendly interface. No downloads are required. Everything works right from your browser. Let's start with character mixing, a standout feature that lets you blend a character image with a motion reference to create a unique dance animation. Here's how you do it. Click Upload and select your character image. Navigate to the motion library and pick Moonwalk. Hit Animate and watch your character come to life. Once satisfied, download your animation or share it directly on social media. Next up, text to animation. Imagine typing out "character does a hip-hop dance" and getting a fully animated video. No manual editing required. Viggle AI will process your request and display a preview. Tweak the prompt or add more details for a more precise result. Save your animated dance or share it online. Lastly, let's talk about background customization. Whether you want a green screen, a white background, or to keep the original scene, Viggle AI has you covered. Here's an example. Choose a background option. Let's go with Nightclub. The background will be applied to your existing animation. Make any necessary adjustments to ensure it fits perfectly. Download your final animation with the customized background. Ready to create your dance animations? Head over to Viggle AI and give it a try. If you enjoyed this quick overview, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. Let me know in the comments what animations you'd like to see next.